Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, Madam Sir. I am Mary Grace Vergara Orozco, 36 years old, and Binitayan, Manilipos was my hometown. I am single in documents, but I have lived-in partner for 15 years already.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 kids, one boy, 13 years old already, and a girl, 8 years old.
And how many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings. I am the youngest in the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I graduated at Bicol University, Tabaco Campus with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Fisheries.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, but I have local experience. I work as a helper for 4 years. I do laundering, ironing, cleaning the house, and basic cooking. I also can care to children because I am already a mother.
Okay, I see. And how would you describe yourself?
I am respectful, honest, and a hardworking person.
And do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Also, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am, I didn't undergo surgery.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to gain international experience different cultures, and to gain or to attain savings so I can finance my children's studies like tuition fees in the future.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I am a pet lover.
And give me your idea, how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
When I experience tantrums of a kid, I always stay calm, deep breath, and talk to them in a calm voice, play, and I divert their tantrums into reading stories so I can talk to them in a good way. That's it.
Okay, thank you for that. And what is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, Madam Sir, if you hired me, I promise that I will do my best. As a helper, I will follow your instructions as long as it is safe, and I will finish my contract. See you soon.
Thank
you.